Hey guys, Dan's Restorations back again with another video for you guys. Today's video, I'm announcing a giveaway, so stay tuned. So, like I said, I'm doing a giveaway. So the winner will get either a Home Depot, Harbor Freight, or Lowe's gift card. You choose which you like, and I will send it to you. The way to enter this giveaway is 1, you have to be a subscriber to my channel. 2, you have to like this video. 3, you have to comment down either Harbor Freight, Lowe's, or Home Depot. And that will be what you want, so. And only 1 entry per person. The other way to get a additional entry is by subscribing to my brother's channel. Link will be down in the description below. So you can ultimately get 2 entries. Actually, if you want 3, you can also subscribe to my second channel, which we are getting close to 75 subscribers. And once I hit 75 subscribers, I will be doing a giveaway on that channel as well. So, like I said, subscribe to this, or either, comment down, like, and be subscribed to this channel counts as 1. Subscribe to my brother's channel, that's 2. Subscribe to my second channel, that is 3. And also, when you do subscribe to the other channels, put a comment down saying that you're subscribing, you got sent here from Dan's Restorations. That way we can kind of keep track to see who did what and how many tickets. So ultimately you can get 3 tickets. So the giveaway starts now, and you have up until August 30th, which is next Friday. So it's pretty simple. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, everyone.